Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to transfer the FSMO role from one server to another server. There are multiple ways to transfer the FSMO role, like you can use NTDS util, you can use UI mode to transfer the FSMO role, but you can also use the PowerShell. I have created another video, you can watch that video in more detail to understand what the FSMO role is, how FSMO roles are placed, and what will be the number of FSMO roles if we are having multiple domains in the single forest. So I have created that video in the detail, but that is only for transferring the FSMO role from one domain controller to another domain controller. We are going to use this command cmd move, but it will be considered as a transfer the FSMO roles. So first we need to know who is my FSMO role holder is. I can run this to know forest wide roles, and I can run this to see domain wide FSMO roles. You can also run one command netdom query and FSMO. It will give you all the information in the single command. So now DC01 is having, and I want to transfer the roles to another domain controller. So we need to know how many domain controllers are, or particular domain controller really existing or not, or I'm just thinking that is a domain controller netdom query DC. So I'm having DC02 and DC01 two domain controllers, and DC01 is already having these roles. If we are having multiple domain controllers, then you can decide where you want to keep what role depending upon your requirement, how you want to do, how you want to design. But good to distribute the roles if you are having multiple servers. So now DC01 is already having, so what I will do, I will transfer to DC02. It is not mandatory that you are going to move all the rows depending upon your requirement. I have selected all the five. If you want to transfer only 3, 2, 1, 4, you can select that and remove the particular one that you do not want to transfer or move gracefully, I would say. You can just run this, select yes to all. Now you are good to go. See, now DC02 is having my all the FSM rows. And one more thing that is very good, instead of typing name, you can just type the number 01234. And but I would say please test in your environment first, in the test environment, and then proceed in the actual infrastructure or production environment. It will not impact anything because wherever you are transferring, that is the available domain controller, and that will perform that activity or responsibility. But it is always good to test in the test environment before proceeding for. So we can select this, or we can just try what is going to transfer by 0. PD simulator, right? If we select both, to what is going, it is not showing second one. Let's play one by one. We will add them later. One. RID master. If you select 2, let's comment that. It will save some time. 2, 3, schema master. Okay, 3 is schema master. What is about 4? It's a domain name master. So you are not transferring actually, or you just check this and we can again type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 5. And if I say what if, that will not do anything but tell you what will happen if you remove what if. Okay, I think it is not going to work with all. Okay, sorry, my bad. It's a 4 hyphen what if. So now you can say first, it is not telling you actually what FSMO roles is all about in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can just use the previous idea to learn and transfer your FSMO roles. Let's run this. Yes, to all. And now we have transferred all the FSMO roles from one server to another server, and you can see, you can just validate net dom query FSMO. Now this is having all the FSMO roles. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.